This sample board was transformed into white marble. In this video, we're going to show you step by step just how simple this process is. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Our epoxy rocks, stone coat countertops.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Hey guys, Mike here with StoneCoatCountertops.com. Do you want to learn how to make your own Carrara marble? We're going to show you in this video how to cover any surface, old surfaces or new, with epoxy and make it look like stunning Carrara marble.
Let's get started. You'll mix part A and part B at a 1-to-1 ratio for about 2 minutes.
I'm going to use a clear plastic cup. I'm going to pour the amount of epoxy that I'm going to need for my work surface. I know that I'm going to use about 3 ounces per square foot. That's key. I'm going to use our white base color tint. I'm going to shake it up and then I'm going to pour about 2 ounces per quart. In this case, I'm just going to eyeball a little bit because I know I don't need that much to make my epoxy have a nice white hue. Let's do it. You can use a drill or a paint stick to mix that base tint right in the clear epoxy. We're starting with a base that's already been pre-painted with 2 coats of paint and primer in one. We just used a very light gray. We're going to sand that with 220 grit sandpaper and then we'll wipe off the dust and we're ready to apply our epoxy. We're going to apply our white tinted epoxy with our square notch trowel. Because we've tinted the epoxy white, any effect that we add to it is going to tone it down and meld it. When you're trying to create marble, if you use base tints, it's going to meld and tone down anything that you add to it, which gives you the illusion of realistic looking marble. Watch this.
We'll pour the white tinted epoxy in the center of our surface and we'll use our 1/8 by 1/8 square notch trowel to spread the material.
We're going to pull any loose bristles off the brush and we're ready for the next step. I'm going to brush these edges a little bit here with long horizontal strokes. Okay, I'm just going to use black Rust-Oleum spray paint. I'm going to spray a little bit right here on my plastic. That's going to act as my reservoir to dip into, and I'm going to create Carrara marble. You can always add more black, so be conservative, and when you chop it in, I like to start in one section and feather out so that I have contrast. I don't want everything looking the same. I want some dark area that fades out to lighter. Let's do this.
Be conservative with the amount of black paint that you add to your piece. You can always add more, and a little goes a long way.
Now that we've used a brush to chop in some of that black spray paint, we're going to tone it down and hide the fact that that was done using a brush. How do we do that? We use a heat gun or a torch to move the material on the surface and make it look realistic. Let's start with a heat gun first because this is more forgiving. You don't have to work quickly. You can really take your time and move that material. It doesn't work as fast, but it's stress-free. I call that painting with air. You're simply using the hot air from the heat gun to move the spray paint to make it look more realistic. And as you can see, it does a great job. Now we're going to switch to our torch and we'll do this half and we'll do the same thing, but we'll work a little bit faster. Here we go.
Once you get your torch started, just keep it moving. Don't hold it in one place too long. It will move your material and also give very natural looks.
That's 1, 2, 3 epoxy. That process is simple, easy, and repeatable. I love Carrara marble. It's a timeless look and it's easy as that. Visit us anytime at StoneCoatCountertops.com and we'll see you on the next video.
Our epoxy rocks, stone coat countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at StoneCoatCountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.